this lamp would be attached to the outlet, but right now it's not. Actually, it is. I just have it shut off. And there's my mini breeze. It's also attached. So this is actually attached to an outlet behind this shelf. This is connected to that, and I have this on an outlet for the switch. I just wanted to come on with the lights, but I shut it off for this video. So here's a quick demo. Let's just shut it off. I don't think I ever did like a little review of this. Whatever. Just want to shut that door so that I don't want to get a copyright claim just in case. I think the mounting bracket or the junction box might be a little bit loose. I don't know though. Listen. You hear that? It's like up by the canopy a little bit. Maybe if I shift it a little bit. Whatever. It's not gonna be any better, I don't think.